Hello viewers, are you experiencing sorry operation failed error problem in Android phone? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. After turn off flight mode, now go to settings. Go to settings. Now scroll down. Go to apps or apps management option. Now tap on search app and search phone app. Now tap on phone apps option. Now go to storage option. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now press on back button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back. Now tap on three dot icon. Tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset to complete reset app preference. After reset your app preference, now press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After following all this process, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.